Wires and cables are like the central nervous system of the human body. Electronics and engines cannot function without cables and wires. These precious connections need to be protected by sleeving, manufactured by JDDTECH. We were established in 2004, and we have quickly become the largest sleeving manufacturer in China. We have established 3 manufacturing facilities, which allows us to produce products in great volume. You will never have to worry about waiting for back-ordered items, and our shipping times are the quickest in the industry. JDDTECH has attained numerous certifications, including ISO TS 16949 2009, ISO 9001-2008, and ISO 14001 2004. Most of our products have been UL, CSA, ROHS, REACH, and halogen-free certified. Specific products conform to GMW 14327, PSAS 21 5101, BS 6853, DIN 5510, NF F16 101, and EN 45545 standards. Remaining products are built to meet MSHA and ISO 6945 standards. JDDTECH believes our workers are the backbone of the company, and our very stringent recruiting and training process produces the industry's best technicians. This talented staff produces the highest quality, most durable products on the market today, and we enjoy a great and diverse international demand to show it. We have exported our products to the United States, Europe, South America, Japan, and other countries or regions, and they have been applied in the following industries: automotive, railway, aviation, military, electronics, telecommunications, hydraulic machinery, and other fields. This great international demand is a testament to the quality, reliability, and great pricing of our products, but this is not the only testament. We are very proud of the collaborative relationships we have built with some of the world's greatest companies, including Tyco, Google, Toyota, VW, CRRC, and Sany. These great companies come to JDDTECH because we are their one-stop shop solution for over 50 types of sleeving with a wide array of different functions and comprehensive services, including cutting, shaping, custom packaging, installation tools, and efficiency boosting solutions, and others. This workshop is equipped with 4 monofilament extrusion lines, which produce a monthly capacity of 100 tons. This makes us China's largest monofilament and braided sleeving factory. These lines fully meet the requirements of weaving factories within the industry. In this production facility, we operate 250 high-speed braiding machines to achieve a monthly production capacity of 4 million meters. A 20-foot container is normally delivered within 15 to 20 working days. Within this workshop, our products must go through winding, installing, weaving, packaging, cutting, and other processes. This workshop utilizes 6 machines to produce 40,000 meters of tin copper braided sleeving monthly. JDDTECH manufacturing techniques include weaving, cleaning, drying, packaging, and so on. The textile sleeving workshop contains 40 machines with a monthly production capacity of 1,200,000 meters. The whole production process can be divided into yarn splicing, installing, shuttling, debugging, and knitting, etc. This manufacturing center uses 5 production lines to produce 21 specifications of corrugated flexible conduits that meet German and Japanese standards. In this efficient center, we can produce 1 million meters of product each month. These products undergo processes like blending, extruding, shaping, splitting, wrapping, cutting, testing, and packaging, etc. The heat shrink tubing workshop features 32 extruding machines. 153 expanding machines, and 2 electron beam accelerators. With a monthly output capacity of 60 million meters, the chief contribution from this area are 5 basic working procedures, including batching, extruding, irradiating, expanding, and packaging. To ensure the high performance and great quality of our products, JDD puts them through a rigorous testing and quality control procedure. Our high-tech laboratory is outfitted with a diverse selection of test instruments, such as abrasion resistance tester, electronic strength tester, constant temperature and humidity tester, flammability tester, bursting tester, withstanding voltage tester, and ROH tester, etc. The number one responsibility of the Research and Development Center is new product development, but JDD does not stop there. We also use this impressive department of highly skilled engineers for material modification, technology improvement, and for custom solutions. On average, we can launch new products once every 1 or 2 months, so we are the most efficient provider of new products within the sleeving industry. The standard expandable sleeving is not only characterized with superb expandability and low noise, but also gives strong resistance to fire, aging, abrasion, and high temperature. This sleeving product offers the ultimate in protection to keep your valuable products operating in all sorts of demanding situations. The cable wrap sports a unique split open design and installation tools, thus enabling easy repair, maintenance, and installation of long cable harnesses or the cable harness that has been connected with terminals. Our special expandable sleeving mainly includes the high anti-abrasion sleeving, cold cut sleeving, metallic color braided sleeving, aluminum coated fiberglass heat reflective sleeving, copper foil shielding sleeving, heat shrinkable braided sleeving, nylon textile sleeve, fire-resistant sleeving, and other types of high-performance materials for military and aviation industries, such as carbon fiber braided sleeving, Kevlar braided sleeving, basalt fiber braided sleeving, and Nomex braided sleeving. As can be seen from the very diverse selection of sleeving materials, JDDTECH can meet your needs no matter what the demand. The insulating sleeving and tubing is made of various extruded or braided materials, including fiberglass, PE, PTFE, silicone rubber, and nylon, etc. It is an eco-friendly, insulated, and flexible material that gives strong resistance to voltage, corrosion, aging, and high temperature, among others. These are green-friendly products which offer the ultimate in protection. Based on customer specification, our products can be designed and packaged for personal or family use. They are specially exported to the DIY retail market, such as the auto parts, hardware tools, department stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, B&Q, and other home improvement and construction companies. If you are in need of a solution in the rubber tubing or cable harness for abrasion resistance, noise reduction, electrical insulation, thermal protection, electromagnetic shielding, or other related industries, JDDTECH is your best choice. We are the leaders in this industry, and our customer service is second to none. JDDTECH helps your products run smooth.